Hey everybody, I finally got this multi-stream to work, and I think the echo is gone. This is so nice. Now, is the music here? I don't know. I hear the music in my ear, but let's see if we can hear it on Twitch. Because maybe it only plays on Twitch, who knows? Let's go to the channel. Maybe it only plays on Twitch, who knows? Let's go to the channel. Let's see, that's interesting. So I can hear myself, I can hear the music, but I can't hear it on the stream. It's crazy. I guess we're just gonna have to go back. One moment. Okay, because we're testing all of this out. What are we doing? Because I took okay, we're back. So I feel like, oops, I can either, we can't have any sound. It's a little upsetting. Okay, we're in Agrippa Defense B practice. Good grief. Probably gonna play without any audio or any music. I don't like it. Okay, so let me see real quick. So you're telling me that it's not gonna play the music on the multi-stream. Whatever. Oh wait, I hear some music. It's just low. I think we're fixing it. Let's turn it up a little bit. because I think I was able to hear it on YouTube. Okay, I can hear the music now. I am happy. Great. All is well, all is working. Let's turn it down a little bit. Okay, so I'm streaming here so I don't have to repost this video later, which is great. So we have the Agrippa Defense B. Don't waste your cleave on only a few enemies. Be smart with distance too to catch as many as possible. Let's get into it. Okay, so while true, there's an enemy. We have a hero. Find the enemy. If enemy. Find the distance. Okay, so we need to define distance. And it's gonna be enemy. If the distance is less than 5, let's share this video on what you call it. Let's do that. Great. Probably edit this out. This is why I need a okay. If the distance is less than 5, let's start over. Let me. Okay. So, we define an enemy, which is finding the nearest enemy. If there's an enemy and the distance, we define the distance. If the distance is less than 5 meters, and if cleave is ready, then the hero is going to cleave. Else, the hero attacks enemy. We need to put a colon there. We need to space this. I think we got it. I think everything is spaced out where it needs to be. Let's see what we can do. I need to... Oh, that's a lot of ogres. Oh! Yay! Oh, there's more. Dun dun dun. That wasn't too bad. Okay. Village champion. Let's check this one out. I'm liking this raven bird. Stop all the ogres. Stop. Stop all the ogres. Save all the peasants. Define a function in your code. Over defining a function. The ogres have broken through and opened another path into the village. You need to write your own function to handle this new attack. Look closely at how to define a function. You're on your own this time. Oh, I guess I need to define this function myself. So it looks like this is the find an enemy to attack function. Looks like we have, this is what the header. This is the variable that we're defining. And then if there's an enemy, attack the enemy. Let's see if I remember this, because I probably won't. Oh, never mind. They did it for us. I thought we would have to define our own function. So, what? The citizens of Ladderville, thank you. Okay. Incoming munchkins, defend the town. Define your own function to fight the enemy. So it looks like they're doing a cleave or attack function. The ogre is the enemy now. Instead of just calling it enemy, we're actually calling it an ogre. And if there's an ogre, and if the hero is ready, we're gonna cleave. So I guess they're pretty big, I guess. Else, we're gonna hero attack. This is going to be ogre instead of enemy. So we're gonna move between these axes here. So it looks like this first one is this 35-34. The second one is the 47-27, and the third one is 60-31. So instead of having to type the if statements and else statements all over again, we could just run it in a while loop, because while loops are continuous until the variable is no longer true. So instead, we can just call the function. Oops, drag that up. Because that's just going to allow us to continuously call this whole function here. Oh. And this also prevents us from attacking the villagers. As you can see, they cleave when there's more than one ogre, and then attack when there's just one, to save the energy for cleaving. Yay! what happened here? Because I was about to say. Alright. Affinement. Defeat the peons. Collect the coins. What's a peon? Good grief. Alright, so we have a function. Peons are trying to steal your coins. Okay. Write a function to squash them before they can take your coins. So this is a pick up the coin function. So we're looking for an item instead of a enemy. So we're gonna name it coin. The hero is gonna find the nearest coin, which I guess they kind of pop up. And then if there is a coin, the hero is going to move to the coin at whatever X position it is. And it looks like instead of actually putting the coordinates, it's doing a position of X and Y. So it looks like we need to write another function, which is attack enemy function. So we're going to do a definition attack enemy, no parameters, and we're going to name it enemy, which is the hero is going to find the nearest enemy instead of an item. If there is an enemy, we are going to attack them. Boom. So while true, right, it says to uncomment the line. So in order to uncomment, you're going to take away the pound sign or the hashtag, however old you are. Alright, so we have two functions here. One function is to pick up the coin function. The other is an attack the enemy function. And while there is an enemy, we're going to attack the enemy. And while there is a coin, we're going to pick up the coin. And as you can see, this is less code than in previous boards. Because if you didn't write out the function, you would have to write out if this, if that, else that. That's just too much. So this simplifies it by putting in a function that you can just call the function. There's an enemy, so we're fighting it. And then we're gonna collect the coins. Yay! Wait, is that the only peon that was coming after us? Oh, there's one. Bow. So if there's a coin, we're gonna get the coin. If there's an enemy, we're gonna get the enemy instead, so that way they don't steal our coins that are just appearing out of nowhere. They look like Dragon Balls. They should have made it to where, like, if an enemy popped up while I was way over here, that we would still attack the peon. Yeah, and that's how you do that one. Affinement. Tomb Raider. Defeat the ogres, gain access to the tomb. Remember that a parameter is a way of passing information into a function. It is a predefined variable of whatever the argument is when called. Ooh, goodness. So, by putting a variable into the parameter, this allows us to not have to define the variable. So it looks like with this is the check and eat function, and the parameter that we're putting in is the target. And it seems that if the target and its type is a fruit, then the hero is going to eat the fruit, otherwise it's going to toss it. So I guess that way we don't get poisoned or something bad happens, or we don't eat a rock or something, who knows. While true, the hero's gonna move closer to the door. Oh, move up. Find a tree. Food is whatever we harvest from the tree. Okay, and then we're gonna eat the food. This is a lot. A forgotten tomb in the forest, but the ogres are hot on your heels. Break open the tomb while defending yourself from the munchkins. This function should attack an enemy if it exists, otherwise attack the door. Okay. Oh goodness. So if there's a target, and we're not talking about the store, attack. No. If target, the hero is gonna attack the target. Else. The hero. Attacking the door. Because the door is a string. Okay, so it looks like if it's a target, we're gonna attack the target. What's the target though? I guess the enemy is the target. Why didn't we just name it enemy instead of target? That's what I would have did, because it's like, what was a target? It could be anything. Okay, let's try it out. You've taken all day to attack this door. Is the door gonna open? I feel like we needed like something else to blast it open. Me personally, I would have named it enemy instead of target, because what's a target really? Leave it to Cleaver. I need to eat. Defeat the ogres. The function cleave when close defines a parameter called target. So we have a definition, cleave when close. The parameter is the target, which I'm assuming is the enemy again, although I would have named it enemy. Like, that's what I would have did. If the hero is close, it's within less than 5 meters of the target, and then you either gonna cleave or attack. This allows you to pass the enemy as an argument when calling the function. Cleave when close, enemy. What? Oh, I was about to say, because I'm like, we didn't even define the enemy. Okay, there it is, because I was confused. Okay, so here is the cleave. That's what we doing now? Hero attack the target. Okay. Now I see why we didn't use enemy as our parameter, because we can't use it twice. So we have a target, which I guess the target could be anything, so that makes sense, because let's say we wanted to attack the cow. If we put cow at the top and we wanted to attack more than one thing, then we would only be attacking the cow. So I get it now. So this is a function, cleave when close to the target, and that's if the target is within 5 meters from us. And then if our cleave is ready, whoa, what happened here? What's the problem? Gotta make sure we're lining our stuff up. Okay. So if the target or enemy or whomever is too close to us, like less than 5 meters, and our cleave is ready, we're gonna cleave, which I'm assuming it's like more than one enemy attacking us. If not, and it's just like one, or we already used cleave and we need to like restore the cleave, then we'll just slash them. And that's gonna happen since we put a while true until we don't have any more enemies. So I think that's pretty neat too. Awesome. Hold up now. We're gonna do that. We messed up. We should have cleaned. We messed up. If cleave is ready, then cleave target. Oh. We never cleaved. How can we cleave if we never cleaved in the first place? Let's start over. Cleave, yeah. There we go. We forgot to add cleave, y'all. Dang. Jesus. Is the bird attacking people too? We did it! Leave it to Cleaver. We are zooming through these tomb ghosts. Ooh, I want the fancy sword. There we go. Defeat the ogre munchkins. There's ogres, there's ogre munchkins, there's all kind of people here. Not hit and run. Defeat the ogre munchkins. Practice using a parameter passed into a function. Good grief. So with this one, this is the function hit and run. If there's a target, then we're gonna attack the target and move to some other coordinate. We're gonna find an enemy, and then we're gonna attack and move. So we're gonna hit and run, hit and run. That's cute. That's really nice. Alright, y'all. So, this is the hit or hide. Okay, we're hiding. Oh, from this big old skeletor looking thing. Okay, so if there is a target, the hero is going to... almost blocked my mouse. Hero is going to attack the target. Then we're going to move because we're hiding. What is this? 32:17. So it looks like we're gonna creep out, attack, and hide. Oh, okay. So we're gonna attack the ogres, but then when we see the skeleton, we're gonna hide. Because clearly that skeleton can take us out. Now it makes sense. Let's go. Oh, we just broke in. The timing on this. Oh. Like, what if the skeleton just stays up there? It's gonna get us. It's gonna get us. Hitting hard. She is slicing and dicing these ogres. Man. Male interceptor. Who's intercepting the male? So the goal is to defeat all ogre messengers. Okay. Oh. Oh. Those are big. Oh, we get the rated function. Oh, the function's up here. Okay. So, the ambush attack. Good grief. So, attack the target if it exists and return to the mark. So, if there is a target, we're gonna attack the target. However, and then we're gonna return to the mark. 52:36. I think I might need an L soon. We'll see. Because I feel like if there's a hero, attack it. If not, but I think this is just a attack and move situation. But we'll see. You're not doing nothing. Oh. Oh. They're just over here banging. Like. Oh, they're sending the little messenger. I guess y'all. That's interesting. Seek and hide. I thought we were hiding and seeking.
CodeCombat.
Find and collect light stones. Defeat the brawler ogre. Your goal is to move each of the red X marks Oh, your goal is to move to each of the red X marks, searching for light stones. If you find one, you have to hide it at the center, good grief, X mark before continuing your search. First, finish the check, take, hide function to hide in the center of the map after finding a light stone. Then, example the sample code that calls check, take, hide stone at the right X mark, and write your own code to call it at the left X. Alright. Good grief. Check, take, hide function, which is the item. So if there's an item, wherever the position is, we're gonna take it and move to the center of the map. So center of the map is 4034. Thanks for letting me know. Okay, so while true, the hero is gonna move to the right, up there. Lightstone, we're gonna look for the lightstone. If we find it, then we're gonna take it. Wait, we're moving to the item, but are we taking the item? We'll see. Hero move 1256. I feel like that's right, but I feel like there needs to be a take function, a take command, but we'll see. Oh, it automatically took it. Never mind. Oh, they pulled up. There's nothing there. Where are we coming from? So what if he popped out? Okay. I feel like based off of the timing, we luck up to not have this. He just passed out? Is he tired? What? What happened? Did he need the light stone to live? Oh, it says gather 4 light stones to defeat the brawler. Okay, I guess he needed some vitamin D. Who knows? He needed the light. Forest miners. Humans must survive. Collect 4 gems. It's your job to make sure no ogres disturb these miners. First, fill in the check enemy or safe function. Only call the peasants if there were no ogres, because attacking an ogre will attract attention. What? Then look at the code that checks the top right X mark and do something similar to check. Okay. Let's get into it. So basically, they're over here mining, and you just What are you doing? Alright, if there's a target, then we're gonna attack the target, which is the function. Else. That's not how you spell else. Hero say. What are we saying though? What are we saying? I'm gonna say come here. Cause what are we saying? Alright. So we're moving here. There's an enemy. And we're gonna find it. And then, alright. What's this one? 16, 14. Enemy 2. Check enemy or safe. Okay. Let's see what this comes up with here. Yeah, he said come here. Alright. Why are they going over there for? Oh, they're mining gems. Come here. Oh. Yeah, because I'm like, why is she doing all the work? You know, you don't want to help out. What's that about? That's what's up. Short-sighted burrow. Collect 4 gold coins. The old burrow guards chests with gold. Luckily, it's short-sighted and can't see you when you are far away. But if the burrow catches sight of you, then it will follow you. Oh. Visit the red marks near each chest and look for coins. Return to the start point in between each check. Use the function take item to collect an item and write a function name check take run. Okay. That's a lot. Go away. Somebody asked. Chill out. Dang. Alright. We're gonna collect coins and run, or else the burrow will find you. Oh, that big thing. Okay. So this is a take item. So the hero's gonna move, and the item at the position, we're gonna take it. Okay. That's that function. Cool. Let's write our own function called check take run with one parameter. What parameter are we putting in here? Does it matter? this is another item. Okay, if there is an item. We're going to take the item. Okay, so we're calling a function within the function. Good grief. And then the hero is gonna move 40, 12. Okay. Whew. Alright, so this is the function, this is the take an item. So we're gonna move around and take some items. We're gonna see if there's an item, then we're gonna take it. Because this function told us to take it, the item. And then whether or not there's an item here or not, we're gonna move back to this green spot because I'm assuming this thing is going back and forth. While true, the hero's gonna move up here. Oh, first is gonna move up here. And then we're gonna see if there's a coin. If there's a coin, it's gonna take the coin because the coin is an item that we're looking for. Alright. Let's get into it. My precious. I guess I can't run that fast because it's didn't you see me? Oh wait. Oh no. Run, girl. I'm just trying to figure out why I didn't hit that corner. Hit the curb. Oh, because it's short-sighted. Can't. Hold up. What we do that for? What happened? No, we were doing good. No. What happened? Hey, what's up, Eli? We got the sound to work. We got things happening finally. We're streaming on YouTube at the same time. Yes, because yes, that echo was horrible. Like I was just like, what is life? Right now we're trying to run away from this burrow. It's short-sighted, so it can kind of see us, but it can't see us. And somehow something messed up. I don't know what messed up, but something messed up. We were supposed to, you know, I don't know. Is there something wrong with this one? Is this the problem? Because it said don't change this code. So what happened? Write the function check take run with one parameter. I did. If the item exists, use take item function to take it. Go back to the start. Green mark with or without the item, which that's what we were doing. That's what was done here. I mean, Do I need to change this parameter to something else? What are we looking for? Let's run it again. Let's just run it. Cause what are we doing? Why? Why? What happened? Because it said I don't know. Why not copy the command that made them go down? This is the one right here. So basically it's saying not to touch this code right here. However, this is the one that makes it move down, because this is the coordinate 4012, and it basically told me, it said if there's an item, then we're gonna take it at this position wherever it's moving to. And then it says regardless if we have an item or not, we're gonna go back down. But for some reason it's not going back down. So I'm trying to figure out if I need to change this to something else, or do I need to change my person? Because I don't know. Let's change it to ball. And let's take the ball. It's not a ball, but let me see if this makes any difference. No, it don't. It don't. It don't. Item was fine the way it was. The chords. What? It's always this last one I get stuck on. It's 6456. It's 1656. Do we gotta ask AI? Because I'm trying to understand. Can you? No. No, I can't attack them this time. We're just only supposed to check and see if there's a item here, and then run, and then go back and run, it was doing that. It was doing that. Do I have to put like a pass here? Cause that don't. No. This function allows your hero to take an item. Write the function check take run, which I did with one parameter, which I did. If the item exists, then use the take function to take it, which I did, and then go back to do it whatever, which I did. Do I need to pass something in here? No, that ain't it either. What am I doing wrong? Clip that. Is the monster targeting you because you stole the Yeah. And yeah, it don't like that. It doesn't like that I'm taking their gold or coin or whatever's going on here. But I feel like we need a little hint, because I don't think I'm in what I need to be in. So what if I drop the item at one of the X's? Well, it wants me to bring it back to safety here on this X, which is what this coordinate is, which is the 40 and the 12. And it wants me to move here regardless if there's like an item here or not. But it's like, I'm trying to figure out, how did you go from her to here? Because I don't think it's because... Let's look at the hints. If you have, then maybe you need to return. We defined the function already, so that ain't it. We're calling the functions within... Yeah, let's ask AI, since we're going over time, to figure out what's going on here. Check, take, run. What you mean is not defined? That's what the daggone function is. Line 14. Oh, okay. So what they're saying is that we have this move inside of the if statement when we need to have it outside of the if statement, so that it's going to move regardless if there's a coin or not. So that's where we messed up at, right here. We need to get it out of the scope. Okay. Gotcha. Thank you. Oh, crap. What happened there? No. 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 Did it start me over? Oh, it didn't. Okay. So that's why. We have to remember about the scope, whether or not, you know, we're in the if statement, we're out the if statement, because then this means that we're moving. This means that we're moving with or without the item. This means we're moving only if we have the item. So that's why it didn't work. Because it's like, if there's an item, take it and move, versus if there's an item, get the item, otherwise move whenever. So we got to make sure that we are outside of, we are in the right scope, basically. That makes sense. And then that's why this is going back and forth this way instead. Got it. We learned something today. Going real slow though. How come he's not moving? And where's the coins? Because we haven't got a coin yet. Oh, there's one. Took forever. Huh? What? Where? Oh, there were several coins in there. Because I was about to say, like, are we just going one for one? My precious. Just stealing. This little monster has worked all his life to put these coins in this chest, and she's just gonna come up here and just take his money. Crazy. Well, friends, victory is ours. We ended with the short-sighted Burl, and tomorrow we will catch up and do, what is this? Agripia Refactored. We'll do that tomorrow. Check me out Monday through Thursday. I'm trying to find a good time to stream. I'll probably try to stream in the evening tomorrow when everyone's out work. Probably around 6 or 7. Let me know. I'll do a poll to let me know what's a good time to stream. Other than that, thanks for joining. Until tomorrow.